Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Last class we studied respect your father and your mother. Last class question answers I will send you. You have to study well. And today we are going to learn chapter 2, One God, Different Names. All of you listen to me carefully. Once a foreigner came to a village in North India. A foreigner came to a village in North India. The man was very thirsty and he wanted to drink a glass of water. He asked a person who was passing by, "Can I get a glass of water to drink?" He was very thirsty and he was asking for water. The person did not understand anything and simply stared at that foreigner. The person did not understand water he is telling, but he did not understand. Water, replied the foreigner. By that time, a few more people gathered there. One of them went to the Englishman, talked with him, and finally told his friends he is asking for pani. Pani means water. And his Hindi word meaning, he understood anyway, he is asking for pani. Then he understood, told his friends too, he is asking for pani. Oh, pani, pani, repeated the people and gave him a glass of water. They gave him a glass of water. Now the Englishman learned that pani is the word for water. He continued his journey and reached one of the villages in Kerala. He reached Kerala and there also he is asking the same thing. Can I get some pani? But the person did not understand what he was asking. Pani in Kerala they are not used to say pani. Then they did not understand what he is asking for. Then another a man standing near said that he is asking for vellam. He understood he is asking for vellam. The Malayalam word is vellam. And they gave the Englishman water to drink. They gave the Englishman to drink water. The Englishman then continued his journey and reached Tamil Nadu. Again he reached Tamil Nadu. There he asked for vellam. There he went and asked vellam. But nobody gave him water because they did not understand what he was asking for. Showing some gestures again, the Englishman asked for water. Showed like this, then all of you understood he is asking for thanni. Tamil word is thanni. They told each other. He gave him water. He is asking for thanni. They told each other and gave him water to drink. What a funny story, but it teaches one important message. Here we are going to study an important message from this funny story. So water is same everywhere. Another we are seeing different names, but this is the same. Like that, people use different words for it. The same water becomes thanni in Tamil, vellam in Malayalam, and pani in Hindi. We cannot ask which is better, water or pani, because it means the same thing in everywhere. Similarly, God is one. God, how many gods are there? Only one God. People call him by different names. People called him different names. Hindu says. Hindus Rama and Krishna, and like that they are telling. Then Muslims say Allah, Christians say Jesus. That way different names are there. But there is one God. We have different religions in our country. They are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Judaism, and Parsi Zoroastrianism religions. That is the same Parsi religion only, Zoroastrianism. People belong to different religions, worship God according to their culture and customs. Different religions worship God according to their culture and custom. Each one of them has their own God and their own holy book. We have our own holy book. Then God of the Hindus are Krishna and Rama. Hindus also believe in many other gods. Muslims believe is Allah. The God of Muslim is Allah. Christian worship Jesus as God. Likewise, each religion has got their own gods and goddesses. Each religion has their own god and goddesses. We should respect the gods, all the religions, because though God is called by different names. God is different by different names. God is one and the same. So it is meaningless to fight in the name of religion and God. It is very meaningless only. We are fighting in the name of religion and God. We must love people belong to every religion because they are our brothers and sisters. We all are belong to every religion because they are our brothers and sisters. We love each other and respect the other religion. In India, there are people belong to almost all religions, but we are all Indians. We are Indians. We should respect and love other religion and respect their gods. No religion teaches to hate others. No religion teaches to hate others. All religions teach us to love and help each other. In our school, there are students belong to different religions. They are all our friends. We should help and love them. Only one thing we have to remember. Let us remember we must respect all religions. All religions teach us to love and help each other. We should love and respect each other and help them. It is meaningless to, in the name of religion and God, we fight each other. That no religion is teach us to hate others. All of you, this is the message of the story. All of you study this well and read the lesson. Last question answers I will send you. You have to study well, and one lesson finishing you have to study all the question answers and revise it. This is the homework. Next class we will meet again. Thank you, children.